Good afternoon. Welcome once again to another exciting episode. Today we'll be examining the Anchor podcast. Now, a podcast is a digital audio file which makes available information via the internet and it's easy to download. These are typically available in series, which are called episodes. There are different types of podcasts. Podcast ranges from narrative styles, solo podcasts, co-hosted podcasts, interview podcasts, and panel podcasts. These are very versatile. Style types range from society and culture, business, news and politics, and health. They are very useful in the educational arena. How do we use a podcast? First, we choose a topic. We choose a name, choose the format, create a cover art, get a professional intro, choose an intro music, and it is very vital to note that you can edit as you go along. And once you've done that, you may now go ahead to submit. Alright, so I'm now going to demonstrate on Anchor how to create a podcast. So we go to the record. Once you get to the website, anchor.com, you select record, start recording, and once you start recording, your message can be recorded. Once you're finished, you stop the recording, give it some time to process. At the end of the processing period, you may add music to the background. Alright, so we're finished with the processing. So now we're going to add our background music. Now we have a variety to choose from. We have from calm, cheerful, curious, dramatic, electronic, folksy, ominous. Each category comes with another category, subcategory for you to choose from. So you choose the one that is most appealing to you and then you select apply. Once again, we have to wait until it is processed. Alright, so after processing, we can now move to selecting a title for our episode. We can edit, remove errors that we may have in our recording, and we can finally save. And we can upload, we can save as draft that we can make correction if we're not satisfied as it, or we can save the episode and publish. Thank you for listening. Bye.